Hello, you are welcome on board, and right in this video I'm going to show you how TubePayz software works and how you can use it and start getting results. All right, so once you log into your TubePayz account, you see your dashboard right here, and the first thing you have to do is to click on site. You see site here, so you click on it and you click on create site to create your TubePayz site. So you input your site name here. It could be anything. Okay, and you upload your site logo and click on submit. Now you can see your site has been created successfully. It's as easy as ABC. And now you can go here to manage your site. You see all your site right here. You can click here to edit it, and you can also click here to delete. Okay, now after creating your TubePayz site, the next thing you have to do is to add videos to the site. And how do you do that? We have different options. You can import videos, you can upload your own custom videos and movie, you can upload short videos, and you can also manage the video right here. So if you want to import videos, all you have to do is to click here and you see different options. You can import from YouTube, you can import from Dailymotion, and also from Vimeo. So to import from YouTube, you click here, and right here you input your keyword. So the keyword could be anything in different niche, in any niche. Just input the keyword right here, like healthy living. Okay, so you select public search. You can choose the search number here, 5, 10, 25, 50. Okay, then you select the category right here. So for this is it. All right, and you click on search to search for the video. So you get result like this, hot trending videos. Okay, and you can select the videos that you want, and right here you select the site, your TubePayz site that you want to add a video to, and you click on import selected. You can see video has been imported successfully. All right, so that is how to import from YouTube to your TubePayz site. You can also import from Dailymotion. So you follow the same procedure. You input the keyword right here, and you click on search and you select the category and search for the video. So for Vimeo, all you have to do is to paste in your video link right here, your Vimeo video link. And how do you get that? You go to vimeo.com, following this URL, and right here you can search for any video that you want in any niche, and you get thousands of results. For this is over 16,000 results. So now you click on the video that you want, like this, and you copy the URL right here. You copy the video link that is here and paste into this box right here and click on fetch video. Now you can see the video has been fetched, and you can put in the description right here. You select the category, add, and right here you can set your geographical blocking. So if you don't want some people to access your videos in some countries, you can select it right here. You can see, and you can select it here. So you input your tag here like this with plus, and you select the privacy, public, private, unlisted. So you can also set the age restriction right here. Okay, if you want to limit this to people above 18, you select it here, and you select the site right here. Okay, so you click on publish. Now you can see, please check the details. Something is missing, and that is the description. So you have to input the description here and click on publish. and the video will be published directly to your channel, okay, to your TubePayz site like this, okay, and you can click on it to play the video, right? So now you can also upload your own custom videos and movies. All you have to do is to drag and drop your video files right here, or you click here to select the media, okay, and you follow the instruction just like what I just explained to you. Now you follow the instruction to upload your custom video or movies. All right, and you can also upload short videos like YouTube short videos and reels. So you can click here to upload your short videos right onto your TubePayz site, and you select the media, or you drag and drop the video right here and you follow the procedure, and the video will be imported directly to your TubePayz site. Okay, so that's that about that. And right here you can easily manage all your videos. You can search for the keyword here to search for your particular videos. Okay, you can see, you can edit, you can delete, you can search. Okay, now after adding videos to your TubePayz site, the next thing you have to do is to monetize your videos and your TubePayz site so you can start getting paid instantly. And how do you do that? It's very, very simple. Just click here and you see different options right here depending on the plan that you purchase. You see different menus right here based on your access level. So now the first thing is that you can easily add banners to your TubePayz site. So you click here and you select the site that you want to add the banner to, like this, Earthwise. So you select the banner position, okay, then you select the template. We have different templates that we've loaded for you, so you can select any one that you want, okay, and you put in your URL right here. Right now the question is, how do you get your URL? It's very, very easy. If you have any product that you are selling or that you plan selling, you can put in your website URL right here, okay. And if you don't have any product, it's very, very simple. All you have to do is to go to any affiliate network and register with them. So you can easily go to affiliate network like JVZoo, Warrior Plus, Clickbank, and register with them. So for JVZoo, you click here, and for Warrior Plus, you click here and create your account if you don't have an account with them. If this is your first time, you'll be asked to sign up, which is very, very easy. So just input your name and email, all right, and once you do that, you'll be taken to this page anytime you click here. All right, and right here you see different offers. You see different offers. You can see different offers. So now to get the link, all you have to do is to click on request. Okay, so you click on request right here and you click on request approval. And once you do that, the vendor will approve you and you get your unique link. So once you get your link, it's going to be something like this. So you just copy it and you paste it right here. All right. And if you want to use JVZoo, you create your JVZoo account as well too. And once you click on this link here, you'll be taken to this page and you can see different offers, the top selling products. So you can click on any one that you want, like this, and you click here, and you request for your link. And once you do that, you'll be approved and you get your link. All right. So pasting your link right here and click on save. Now the banner ad has been created successfully. That's simple as ABC. If you also want to add video ads to your TubePayz site, you can do that right here. You select the site name you give your campaign a name, okay, and you put in the YouTube link right here. Okay, so now for the video ad, you have to first upload your videos on YouTube. Okay, so if you have any videos you want to use for advert, just upload it on YouTube and copy the link like this, the watch link. This is an example of watch link. You can see this right here, so just copy it and paste here. Okay, so you can easily use this video right now for adverts, and you specify the skip ad seconds right here. If you want the advert to be skipped after a particular seconds, you specify it here, maybe after 30 seconds or 10 seconds. So you specify it here and you click on create. Now the ad has been added successfully and it will start displaying on your videos. All right, now we also have image ads on video, which is similar to the same procedure I just explained. You select the site, the position, the template, and you can also upload your own personal image right here, and you put the link here and the time you want the ad to show. Is it at the beginning, middle, or at the end? And you click on create, and right here you see all your active adverts, and you can edit or delete. All right, and we also have Google banner ads. This allows you to serve ads right on your TubePayz site. So you can select your site here and the Google code, you paste it right here and click on create. All right, to get your Google code, all you have to do is to log into your AdSense account and create the campaign and copy the code and paste in right here. Okay, so now we are through, and if you want to check your site, you go to manage sites and you click on it to see the site preview and see how beautiful your site is. Amazing. This is my TubePayz site. This is a website I just created right now, and as you can see, this is really looking beautiful. This is exactly like YouTube. So in just few minutes, you've been able to easily create your own YouTube style website, and you can start generating massive income on a daily basis. You see all the menus right here. You can close it. You can see different section, different categories. Okay, you can see we have the trending videos right here, the short videos, the top videos, the live videos, latest videos, film and animation, music, and others. So you can see this is really looking beautiful, and you can click on any of the videos to watch. So you can click on it, as you can see. So this is the video, and there you have the up next. This is exactly like YouTube, so there is nothing stopping you from making money with this system. All right, and also you can see the banners. So this allows you to also make money right on your XY site, right on your YouTube style site. And the good thing is even that you can add as many banners as possible. You can add banners to different sections of the site. You know, you can add to the footer section, you can add to the watch page sidebar, you can add to the watch comments. So the banners will appear based on where you set it. And also to the video ad will pop up on the videos whenever someone is watching the video. And also the image banner will also show on the videos, and also the Google video ad will also get you paid. So with this, we have different ways to make money. All right, and another unique feature of TubePayz is that it allows you to broadcast live on your channel. So you can broadcast directly to your viewers, to your subscribers right on your channel. So depending on the plan that you purchase, you see create right here, and you can click on it to go live instantly and start broadcasting. As you can see, right. So you click here to go live. Hello, hello, hello. Now, this is how to start broadcasting live on your TubePayz channel. And you can also click here. You can click here to allow chatting, or you can block chat. This is exactly like GoToWebinar, like Zoom. Okay, the only thing is that you don't have to pay any monthly fee for this. So once you go live, your viewers can actually come to your channel and your subscribers, and under these live videos they can click on it to join you live. So you can use this for your training, for your webinars, for your product, or just to say hi to your viewers. All right, this is an awesome feature that doesn't cost you any extra fee. Okay, and another wonderful thing about TubePay is that you can choose to charge viewers. Okay, you can choose to collect money from viewers directly on your channel. So, and how do you do that? You click on settings right here and you configure your payment details. So this actually depends on the level that you purchase. It depends on the plan that you got. So you see PayPal right here, you activate it. You can select the currency. So you set this to live and you input your PayPal client ID and secret key here. If you don't know how to get client ID or secret key, just go to Google and type how to get my PayPal client ID. So you get the full information and you click on submit. And this is for Stripe. So you follow the procedure as well too. You can go to Google to get the secret key. And this is for coin payment that allows you to get paid by Bitcoin. So you can put in your secret key and click on submit. So with this now, you can start charging for your videos. Whenever you upload videos on your TubePay site, you can easily set the price. Let me walk you through. You input the video description here and you select the thumbnail. So you have to upload the thumbnail and you click on next step, and here you select what you are uploading. Is it a video or movie? You select the geo blocking. Okay, and this is the main thing that we need. You input the price for the video. If you want to charge for the video, this is where you set the price, $10. If you want to charge $100, $50, you set it right here and you click on next step. Okay, and you fill in other information, all right, and publish the video. So once you publish the videos, people will have to pay you before they can watch the video, all right, and once they make payment, it will drop into your payment method that you've already set. So if you set PayPal, it will drop inside your PayPal. If you set Stripe, it will drop there, or your coin payment. So this is another awesome way for you to make money with TubePayz, right? And at this point, I'd like to say thank you for following through. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to contact the support desk. This is our support link. Okay, and you can watch other tutorial videos by clicking on this tutorial button right here. All right, thank you so much. Talk soon.